Hi guys, it's math time, and we are going to do a quick lesson or review on adding using a number line. So I'm going to remind you that we start with 0, and when we use the number line, we do hops, and we go up to 10. So I am going to show you my board. It has some math problems on, and I'm going to put a dot under the first number, and I'm going to put like looks like a little frowny face, but we're going to remember those were called our hops. So the dot tells me what number I start on, and then that little hop or frowny face tells me how many hops. So for this one, I must start at number 7. So I'll put my dot here on number 7. And if I'm going over 2 hops, I'm going to go 1, 2. I get my answer, and that is number 9. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. So that means I don't have to draw all the dots and I don't have to do all the counting. I'm just showing you how to start. So the next one, we start at 2. So I'm actually going to get a different color marker so that you can see it and I don't have to do too much erasing. So we're going to start at the number 2 and I'm going to put a dot at the number 2 and then I go over 8 hops. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my answer is 10. And I put 10 right there. This makes it a little bit easier when we are counting or when we're doing math, and it makes it a little bit quicker. So if you have a number line, you can just draw it or do it this way. Next one. What number are we starting at? Number 9. So we're going to put our dot at number 9. So there's my dot, and I have 1 hop. So I'm going to go over 1 hop. So guess what? 9 plus 1 is 10 as well. So there we go. All right, I am going to now quickly erase our hops so that we can see what we're doing again, and we can go back to using another marker. And now we're going to start with number 5. So that means I'm going to put my dot at the number 5. And I am going to go over 3 hops. Make sure when I hop over, I'm hitting a number. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. There you go. All right, let's do a couple more. So here's our next one. All right, so we're going to start with the number 3. We're going to put a dot there, and then we're going to put like a little frowny face, which is my hop. So we're going to start at number 3. So there's my dot at number 3, and we're going over 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my answer is 10. So that's a 1 and a 0. All right, we're going to do one more before I erase them so that we can see this one. All right, so what number? We put our dot at number 1, and we put a little frowny face or hop under 5. So we're going to put our dot at number 1, and we're going over 5 hops. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's because I put my dot at the wrong number. I put my dot at the 0. See, sometimes even Mrs. Eyler makes mistakes. So I'm just going to erase them all. Now I'm going to say, I'm going to put my dot at number 1, not 0. And now I'm going to go over 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my answer is 6. That's why we always need to check our work, because sometimes even adults make mistakes. All right, our next one is 4 plus 4. So we put our dot at a 4, and when we put our little hop symbol at a 4, so that means I'm going to start at number 4, and I'm going to hop over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my answer, oops, and my answer is 8. So There we go. And the last one. We have 6 plus 2. Put a dot at this first number and the hop symbol at the second one. So we always put our dots in the first one because that's where we want to start. And that's how many we want to hop over. So I'm going to put it at 6 and go 1, 2, and my answer is 8 again. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. So remember to use the number line. And again, that's a lot quicker than always counting what we're doing. So if you have a math paper, if your parents are helping you with doing something, maybe you can get them to help you draw a number line. And then when we get into bigger math numbers, teen numbers, it's also a good way to do some math. All right, guys, keep practicing. And until I see you again, know I'm thinking of you. Bye. You gotta be kidding. Oh.